Are planning a trip to Bali? The beaches are calling, the culture is intriguing, but there's a nagging question: how much will it cost to convert your hard-earned cash into those beautiful rupiah notes? And if you're considering Neon as your financial sidekick, another question pops up: how steep are their foreign currency exchange rates? Let's dive in. Now, before we unravel the costs, let's talk about why this even matters. Foreign exchange fees can be sneaky little devils. They can nibble away at your travel budget without you even realizing it. So, understanding how much Neon charges is crucial for planning your trip without breaking the bank. So, what's the deal with Neon? Is it a foreign currency exchange utopia, or is there a catch? Well, let's break it down. Neon is known for its sleek app and fee-free features. But when it comes to foreign currency, there are a few things to consider. First off, Neon doesn't charge a flat fee for currency conversion. Instead, they apply a markup to the exchange rate. This means the rate you get isn't the exact mid-market rate you'll find on Google or other financial websites. There's a little extra added on. Now, how much is this markup? That's the million-dollar question. Unfortunately, Neon isn't exactly transparent about their exact markup percentage. It can vary depending on several factors, including the currency you're exchanging, the amount you're exchanging, and even market conditions. So, while Neon might save you on some fees compared to traditional banks, it's essential to do your own math. Compare Neon's rates to other providers like Wise or Revolut to see if you're getting the best deal. But wait, there's more. Neon also offers a MasterCard, which you can use abroad. While there's no foreign transaction fee, keep in mind that the MasterCard network will apply its own conversion rate, which might not be the best one out there. So, what's the bottom line? Neon can be a convenient option for managing your money, but when it comes to foreign currency, it's not necessarily the cheapest game in town. To get the most out of your money, consider these tips. Shop around, compare exchange rates from different providers to find the best deal. Use a currency conversion calculator. There are plenty of online tools to help you compare rates and fees. Consider alternative options, explore other fintech platforms or specialist currency exchange services that might offer better rates. Be aware of hidden fees. Look out for any additional charges, such as transfer fees or withdrawal fees. Remember, a little research can go a long way in saving you money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.